Hello, Nunn. Congratulations on this victory. How did you saw this game?
Thank you, bro. It was a good game. It was tough. We started off really good, but Makabi worked their way back, and it came down to the last 3-4 minutes of the game where we stopped their run, got some stops, and then executed on offensive end to get the victory.
In your opinion, what decided the winner?
That step back three on the right wing.
I saw it.
It gave us some momentum, put us up 1, then Zogan and steal. And then the layup, that kind of gave us some more momentum, up 4, I think, with a minute and something left, so that gave us.
What we can expect from Pana in the fight for the Final Four?
Expect our best. We're going to give our best efforts. We want to make another championship run. So everybody's going to be locked in and focused and ready to play.
And the last question, what would it be if you weren't a basketball player?
A basketball player, that's about it. Nah, I don't know. That's a good question, man. I don't know. Since I was very little, bro, like 2 or 3, I want to play basketball, though, so I don't know.
Thank you, Hvala.
Yeah.